Have you ever seen live bacteria moving under a microscope? Today I am showing you Lactobacillus, the good bacteria found in curd, and you'll actually see it rolling. I'm starting by taking a small drop of fresh curd and placing it carefully on a clean glass slide. Now I am spreading it into a thin layer so light can pass through easily. Now I gently place a cover slip on top to avoid air bubbles. Now the slide is ready. Let's place it under the microscope and start focusing. This thin, long, rod-shaped structure you see is called Lactobacillus bacteria. Notice its shape. They look like tiny rods and sticks. And look closely, it's actually moving and rolling. This movement happens because they are alive and also due to tiny fluid currents in the sample. Some of them appear to rotate, while others glide slowly across the field of view. This is a beneficial bacterium. It helps convert milk into curd and improves digestion and gut health. It's amazing to think that something we eat every day contains millions of these living microorganisms. This rolling motion is often caused by tiny structures called flagella, which help bacteria move in liquids. If you enjoyed watching live lactobacillus under the microscope, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real microscope science. Comment below what you would like me to observe next.